Just a brief run through some recent advancements with artificial intelligence inside Photoshop itself. A lot of this sort of stuff you can do on phones recently, but it's very low resolution and not really useful for print or any professional work. But recent advancements, I'll just sort of go through what I find quite interesting. So here we have that photograph. We want to extend it beyond what's in the actual image. So to do that, I'm just going to select the sides a little, leave a little bit trailing into the original image. And then within Photoshop, there's a little new option called Generative Fill. At the moment I'm not going to type anything in, I'll show you that in a little while, but just for the moment I'm going to let it generate and do its thing. And within seconds it comes back with the extended image, which is quite amazing. We can do that again. So we want to extend up and see what's happening in the treetops. So that's a good over a third of it. You just select. New item here, Generative Fill. Click that, generate, and let it. So within seconds we've gone from the original image, which was just that detail, it is now extended it way beyond. But we're not done yet. If I pick a little spot I want to see, say red deer, and then just click generate, it'll start to generate a deer. So there we have a deer. It also generates options. Select that one, or this one, or this one. I think I like that one best. So there it is in the image. So we want to do again. We want to maybe put over here, I'll just type in a description, say a white horse. And let it do its thing. And again, we have a horse, and we have two options, three options. Which one do I like best? I like that one or that one. But anyway, that's one run through, and we could put whatever else we wanted to put a little fairy door. Generate and let it do its thing. I've been using Photoshop for 20 odd years. This is like the most groundbreaking development I've seen in it. I'll save so much time and get better results. So we door, we have three options. That one, or that one. Kind of like that one. So in a matter of a minute or two, we've gone from that image to a completely different one. I'll slip in and try some other artworks. Just bear with. So this is an artist, John Skelton. I would have many times in the past, younger man used to work in pubs doing murals in Irish pubs, so his works were particularly useful. Not saying they were simple, but they were easier to do than many others, and I often had to guess and enlarge what was going on in this picture, so I'm just trying it now with Photoshop AI. So say we want to extend that out. Select the rim, select expand. And then I'm just going to hit Generative Fill. I'm just trying to guess or figure out or have an idea what will be in the background. So again, let's have a go at filling in. Gives us three options. That's pretty good. We have the option then if we want to tighten it up a bit. Don't really much know what that is. Generative Fill, just generate. And it sorts that out for you. I have no intention of selling any of this, by the way. It's just an exploration to see what's possible. So we want to see here. some of it is quite funny, sometimes it doesn't work. But let's just see if I can make that work better. So smile, paint. Maybe he's actually better on his own. So started from that original image, and we end up with the extended one of the pint meta barn. Again, another of Skeleton's works. Now we'll just try the same thing again. So I'm going to select then hit Generative Fill, and just let it do its thing. And it extends it. Just by magic, it gives you three options. Try like that one. So again, here's a Van Gogh night coffee scene. And it generates. And it comes back with three amazing interpretations. Quite amazing. And this time we're going to try it with a Jerk-B8, and I used a copy of that. It's just the same procedure. Select, modify, expand, generate fill, generate, and just like this. And it comes back with reasonable variations. That's quite amazing. So there's a quick run through of some Adobe AI at the minute.